The sealed container is verified for Route B, composites and avionics integration. This ensures certain.
Revealed here is the newly forged J-10 wing spar. The robotic arm initiates the controlled cooling process. The newly machined titanium bulkheads are subjected to an automated thermal deburring process. The titanium spar is the core load-bearing structure. Here in Process A, the team confirms the initial pin alignment before fastening begins. Alignment holding steady at point 4.
Confirmed. Hydraulic pressure nominal.
Green light on all connections. Sequence complete.
Inclinometer reading is stable at 2.5 degrees.
Confirmed. Laser alignment holds true. Process A is complete. All tools and fixtures for structural assembly are systematically disassembled and stored. Workers then perform.
This physical documentation confirms the structural integrity lock before moving to the high-value Process B integration phase. The structural detail of the J-10 Vigorous Dragon reveals the precision of Process A, where thousands of rivets are perfectly aligned. Inside the cleanroom, the robotic system applies heat and pressure, ensuring perfect adhesion and structural strength for the fighter's control surfaces.
Check the alignment on the 5th axis.
Reading nominal. Flow rate is steady. Confirm connection point J-10-042. Routing secure?
Yes, supervisor, confirm to spec.
We are clear on Sector 3.
Roger that. Initiating Process B alignment sequence now.
All hydraulic lines secured and torqued.
Verified. Intake cowling looks good. Ready for fuselage integration.
Telemetry looks good. We have a perfect fit.
Noted. The coupling is complete.
Run the Process B diagnostic.
Signal transmission confirmed. All parameters green.
Initiating full cycle sweep now.
Deflection matches input at 28 degrees. All parameters green.
Process B calibration sequence complete. Response is perfectly linear.
Confirmed. Finalizing the report now.
Sensor array connected. Monitoring oil pressure now.
Vibration sensors are green. We are clear for Process B initiation. Ground crew clear. Canopy secured. Ready for taxi.
Roger. Commencing low-speed mobility check. Systems are green. Oxygen connected. Comms check.
Loud and clear. Straps secure. Ready for power-up.
Final checks complete. Canopy secure.
Roger. Commencing taxi.
Radar sweep complete. Electronic warfare online. Target locked. Weapon systems hot.
The flight was flawless. Zero mechanical or systems failures, confirming the success of the pipeline.